What if I told you that by 2030, artificial intelligence could decide who gets a job, who gets medical treatment, and even who wins a war? This isn't sci-fi. It's already happening, and it's only going to accelerate. Here's how AI will change the world in less than 7 minutes. Let's start with work. By 2030, over 800 million jobs could be automated, according to McKinsey. But it's not just about robots replacing humans, it's about humans working with AI. Think about software engineers using code-writing AIs, designers collaborating with AI artists, and even lawyers automating legal research. Some jobs will vanish, but entirely new ones will appear too. The key skill? Knowing how to work with AI, not against it. AI isn't just changing industries, it's saving lives. By 2030, AI will be diagnosing cancers earlier than human doctors, managing chronic diseases, and even predicting mental health breakdowns. Imagine an AI that knows you're depressed before you even realize it yourself, just by analyzing your voice or search history. Sounds creepy? Maybe, but it could save lives. In classrooms, AI will act as a personal tutor for every student. Struggling with math? An AI will adapt lessons to your pace. Learning a new language? AI can give you feedback in real time, like a personal coach. Education becomes more customized, inclusive, and borderless. But not all AI changes are positive. Autonomous drones, AI-powered cyber attacks, and surveillance systems that know your every move, these are real, and governments are racing to develop them. By 2030, AI could become the ultimate weapon. The battlefield may no longer need soldiers, just smarter algorithms. Can you fall in love with an AI? By 2030, emotionally intelligent AIs could simulate companionship better than real people. Loneliness may become optional, but at what cost? Will relationships become more artificial or more accessible? This is the future we must decide together. Can you fall in love with an AI? By 2030, emotionally intelligent AIs could simulate companionship better than real people. Loneliness may become optional, but at what cost? Will relationships become more artificial or more accessible? This is the future we must decide together.